Are your apps not working because of the Csteamworks module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we begin our Csteamworks module walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This DLL file is a specialized Steamworks wrapper library used by games developed in environments like Unity or Csteamworks. It allows managed code to easily interface with Steam features, such as achievements and cloud saves. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Csteamworks module DLL is bundled directly with Valve Steam, rather than being a standard Windows system file. Reinstalling the latest version of Valve Steam is the most reliable way to restore this specific dependency safely. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Csteamworks module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for the Csteamworks module DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing the Csteamworks module. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for the Csteamworks module, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.